Can I go one by one, or are you testing all the questions?
No, one by one. Once you finish that, I'll share you with the next question.
Yeah, sure. So first question is, what is the use of data wrapper? Yeah, so data wrapper basically to extract the record from the object level. So there are four types of data wrapper. Is there load, extract, turbo, and a transform data wrapper are there. So it's like all four have the different type of area, different type of data extraction from the cell source. So one data extract have multiple object, we can use it up. So transform, and we can use from the JSON request, so we can customize our data request where we are getting from the records. And the load, so we can use the post method, so we can use the post data wrapper. And turbo extract, basically it use a single object to extract the data from the records. Yeah, so okay. So what is the use of integration IP? So integration procedure is the calling of calling external systems, like calling callouts, passing the request from the JSON path. So through integration IP, we can use external systems like post method. We can third party application. We can use it via integration procedures. HTTP action from called from OmniScript. Why do we prefer calling it from a separate IP? Yeah, so most of the scenarios, for example, OmniScript, we can use like step-by-step procedure, like some of the journey we are using. In that journey, if we want to transform, or we want to share the request from share the request, so that we can use HTTP. So for example, IP, for coming to the call load, so particular call load we want, so no need of OmniScript they are used, so we are using IP alone. So in that IP we have the HTTP action, so we are using the HTTP action method to call or post the method from the external parties API. What is the use of HTTP action in Omni Studio? So Omni Studio, what is the use of HTTP action? So it's like one of the action blocks. So in HTTP action block, so as I said, like we can call the third parties system. So for example, like metadata, or custom label, or custom metadata. So we can use the HTTP. It's like a common metadata they are using. So instead of that, so we can use HTTP action. So to perform to using HTTP action, we can use the like transcript that custom meta label. So this is the one of the way. So maybe there are many other. So I'm saying, just saying one of the method. What are the ways to handle HTTP errors? HTTP errors. So like HTTP errors like 404 error. For example, from if we are passing the request from HTTP action through our external system. So from the external system having the downgrade or maintenance, so we are getting 404 error. Or yeah, we are getting a 404 error. Sometimes in the response path, we are passing the request from HTTP. So in that request, so we are missing anything. So we are getting HTTP errors, like some of the parameters are missing. So some fields, mandatory fields are missing. So yeah, this can be one. This can be type of the scenarios we can say. Can we call one integration IP from a, yeah, so yes, we definitely call it. So this we called as wrapping method from one IP to another IP we call it. So in integration procedure itself, we have different type of action block. So in integration procedure itself, we have the IP blocks, integration procedure block. In that IP block section, action block, so we can use the child IP. For example, we are using the parent IP. In that parent IP, we are trying to use the wrapper class, so we are use inside the IP, we child IP, we can use it up. So definitely we can use it from one IP to another IP. Why would we do? Can a child IP be multiple? Can a child IP be called multiple times? Yeah, yeah, definitely. So in parent IP, we can set it as the for example, the loop in the parent IP. If we are setting the loop block, so loop block until the loop was satisfied, the child IP has been run. It's like a for loop, so we can set it as in the parent loop. So in the parent loop, we are setting the loop block, the child IP are using, so the child IPs are called multiple times and until the condition was satisfied. Can we call an integration procedure from a Lightning web component? From Lightning, like I do not use LWC component, so I use Apex class from IP. So I'm not that much aware. Like I didn't work on that LWC in IPs. So I used the integration IP from using Apex class, triggering the remote class or a standard Apex class. So we are using on it. From OmniScript we are using. Yeah, how do you call an integration procedure from your flow? Integration procedure from your flow. So how do we call an integration procedure from your flow? Do you call an integration IP from your flow? Flow flow no, I didn't not that much work on it. So mostly I'm from the Omni Studio order management side, so I mostly use OmniScript IPDFs. Mostly these are the technical components, and then apart from that, so I used order decompositions, decomposition order. From technical component to commercial component, so we use to order like orchestration plan scenarios, plan definition. So I mostly work on this type of areas from order management side from Omni Studio.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Yeah.
Then we are done with the interview. With the
Okay.
results, we'll get back to you. Okay.
Yeah,
Our
sure.
team will get back to you on the results. Thank you
Yeah.
for joining the meeting.